Most of the time, ping scans are used for detection of live hosts inside a network. -SP, which we are using for default ping scan, uses TCP ACK and ICMP echo requests to find live hosts. But if there is a firewall on the way, then we would not be able to see those hosts. So there is another scanning method that may come in handy. It is a TCP SYN scan. Let's do a couple of them right away. -SP tells Nmap to perform a basic ping scan, which will only consist of discovering the online hosts. Then after that, -P and S forces a TCP SYN scan. So this type of ping scan will discover hosts behind a firewall, if we are lucky. So in this case, it sends a TCP SYN packet to port 80. If the port is closed, the host will respond with a packet that is specifically in this case a RST packet, and if the port is open, the host will respond with a TCP SYN ACK packet, indicating that a connection can be established. And after that, an RST packet is sent to reset this connection. And at last we have CIDR notation, which is /24. It is used to indicate that we want to scan all of the 256 IPs in our own network. Let's try a regular ping scan with -SP. We can see that this host is up and nothing is blocking our ping probes. But the question is what to do if a host is down. We just add -P and S, and after that we can add the port numbers. We can add ports as a range, or we can add them separately, like in this case. Just put a comma behind every port number. And if we want to do a port range, just put a dash between the, for example, port 80 and port 1000. And all ports in between are going to be included in the scan. Here we have a ports from number 1 to 1000. We already mentioned that during a TCP SYN ping scan, the Nmap uses the RST packets to determine if a host is live or it is responding. But it is very important to say that some firewalls are configured specifically to drop RST packets. So in that case, the SYN ping scan will fail. But unless we specify a port that we know that it is open. If in any case we do not know what port is open, then we just enter a range of ports, or we can enter a port separately just by separating them with a comma.